got a special day today. We got 2 packages in the mail from Max Custom Designs and Force RC. Let's get it. You ready to go get it, son? Let's go. Let's go. We out of here, baby. All right. We have some special surprises, man. Come on, guys. Let's go. Force RC. Lights coming in.
Say hey.
Y'all ready for this? All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Here we go.
Let's do this.
You want to get him out, son? Get him. That's one. Uh-oh. We got it. This yours? All right, you got one.
Hey, baby.
All right,
Baby.
we all set. Show the camera. Yeah, show the camera. All right. Hi, bye. And we're going to the house to go change our parts.
We're going back.
Alright. Y'all stay tuned because we got more upgrades coming. I want to say thank you to all the people that subscribe to our channel for showing us love, support. We appreciate it so much. Come on, sir. Bye-bye. You ready to race to the house? Alright. Go! Oh, he's beat me! You gotta go to the house! Oh, he's winning, guys! Oh, they won! I want to give a special shout out to Force RC and Max Custom Designs. Appreciate y'all, brother. See you in a minute. Peace. What's up, guys? Now it's time to open these things up and see what's inside. See what our brother sent us. Force RC, Max Custom Designs. Come along with us for this journey. All right. Let's see what we have here. Right. You got it, Hunter Bunch?
I got it.
Thank you so much for helping me out throughout this whole process. I wouldn't know what to do without you.
What? A what? Save a lot of money.
All right, let's get these things open. What up, y'all? Appreciate the love. Look at that, y'all. We got people showing love coming down the street. All right, this is from Force RC. They sent us a GoPro mount. This is just a prototype, guys. So if this works, they will be making more of these. So we're gonna try this out today. What comes in the package is the GoPro mount for the X-maxx, and it says Force RC. Cool little stickers, guys. You can put that on your X-maxx. That'll look real cool. And they have a flyer here from Force RC to save you some money, shock covers, anything else you need for your RC. All right, so let's get to the other package. Oh, look at that, guys. We have some shock covers. Wow. Thank you, Patrick. We have some cool shock covers, guys. Wow, he sent us enough for 2 vehicles. Whoa. Let you guys know you can go over to Max Custom Design and Prints and get you some shock covers. Wow. I want to send a special shout out to both of these guys for sending me these things. Go over to Max Custom Design and Prints website, guys. Wow, look at that. We have some decals. That's hot, brother. Wow, can't wait to put that on. All right. Whoa, look at that, guys. We have some cool stickers. Hope you guys can see that. Wow, look at that armor. For you armor guys out there, come check it out. Get your special decals. Make your car look hot. Cool. Whoa, look at that. Monster Energy. Playboy. Transformers. Guys, come get your decals at Max Custom Design. He's hot right now, I'm telling you. Whoa. Look at that, guys. We have your chassis wrap for whatever vehicle that you own. So bring it out. Oh yeah, guys, if you have a painted body or you want to paint your body, you can add your custom decal to spunk it out. All right, guys, we're gonna try this mount out on our X-maxx. So stay tuned. Guys, ready? Stable, this will be a great GoPro mount for the X-maxx. Don't mind me, my GoPro, I done wrecked it a couple times. And my X-maxx is dirty, so don't worry. Alright? There we go, good stuff, baby. Alright, so it holds up without any zip ties on it. It holds up pretty well. Yeah. Weight of this thing, I would recommend zip tying this down or making it a little longer on the side.
You might need some like rubber so that when it clicks on, there's like some extra stability in there.
Yeah.
It might keep it from.
But I think that's gonna be pretty stable. That's so easy. Force RC, I believe you should make it to where there's some straps on this at least. So when you snap this on down here, you need to put some straps on here so you can at least tighten it so it will not move. Because just this, it will come off. It's got a pretty good tug now, you see that? But it will come off. So guys, if I were you, I would put some straps on this somewhere. Maybe right here. And make it to where it goes around those bars. You can pull it tight on each side. And then you got a for sure piece right there, man. So, I want to thank you guys for allowing us to test out y'all product. And anytime you guys have any more product you want us to test out, send it and we'll test it out. We'll post it on our YouTube channel.
I don't know in what country that was a catwalk, but that wasn't. There we go.
We're gonna send you over the jump for one time. One time. guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We out of here. We out of here. Peace.